let you in on a little secret. There isn't much in life that cooking can't fix. Stomach rumbling? Cook. Can't get someone out of bed? Cook. Can't cheer a grump, cure a cold, or save a leak? Cook. Crying from a broken heart, waiting on a payday, or really missing home? Cook, cook, cook. If someone doesn't like beetroot? Cook. If your best friend moved far, far away? Cook. Don't cook. Both sides of the family coming over. Veggies, politics, don't know what to do when the state of the world is getting you blue, or you feel like shouting, I love you. Well, it's the oldest trick in the book. When in doubt, grab the Lurpak and just cook.